So with the AirGlide Pro, we can do curls, but I like these real modern waves. That's what I'm going to show you today to do, just to turn your look into a little bit more voluminous, but also very lived in and natural. So it's super simple. I'm going to actually hit this twice so that the airflow is coming out. That's what's going to cool it down and set it. Just use the clip to open it up. When I put it in, I'm going to come down to smooth a little bit and go halfway. So that means I just flipped it half. And then when I come down, it's more of a wave than curl. Isn't that fun?
It's fun.
Now, if you want that wave a little bit bigger, once you spin halfway, you can just kind of come on out. You don't have to keep spinning. So if I want that wave a little bit bigger. See that? Very pretty. So that's with those kind of little endier look. If you don't want the endy look, instead of at the end where I'm kind of pulling out, you're just going to do a spin there at the end to get that end a little bit more of a curl instead of straight. So if you want to go a little slower, you're going to get a little more curl. A little slower and more curl.
Look at that curl. This is really easy. I don't even need a brush.
It glides right through though.
It does glide right through. And they're cool when you pull it out. Okay, I love these soft waves, and I think this is how I would wear it sort of every day. But if I wanted it curlier, how would I do it?
Super simple. It's the same technique actually. You're just going to spin more and you're going to stay closer to the section. So you were dragging this down, you know, as you were using it.
Yes.
But in this case, you're just going to stay right where you are. So we're going to slowly spin, but you notice I'm not pulling it down. Because I want that whole to go into more of a curl. So the whole head could have a lot more curl.
Yes.
Such a great job.
I love it so much.
So I like to, for the waves, to then just kind of break them up with my hands like this. And just go for that real natural look.
I love it.
Yay!